I'm Lois and I'm going to talk you through Daily Microfoliant, which is an exfoliating powder from Dermalogica. It's quite a unique product, this. I haven't seen anything else like it on the market. And it's like a powder that you pour into your hands and then you'd add water to it. So you add water to it and you'll start to not feel the grains as much as what you've originally can feel them. However, don't wait to feel like all the grains have completely gone, because you'll never get to that point. You will still always feel a slight sort of powder grain in there like a normal exfoliator. But there's actually a double exfoliation going on with this exfoliator. You've actually got a salicylic acid that's going to be activated when you add the water to it. So if you imagine little Pac-Men sort of eating away at your dead skin cells on your face, so that's like a double exfoliation. So you'll get an exfoliation from the grains and you'll also get an exfoliation from your salicylic acid as well. This is safe enough to be used every single day. I'd use it after your double cleanse routine and before you're going to moisturise. If you've got any questions on this product, just get in touch.